Hello everyone, welcome to QPT. MIT News has released the list of MIT's top research stories of 2023 by looking back at some of their most popular stories from the last 12 months. One is cheaper water desalination. MIT engineers and collaborators developed a desalination system that can produce fresh water that is even cheaper than tap water. The passive solar-powered device avoids the salt clogging issues that plague other designs. Next one, why was Roman concrete so durable? Researchers discovered ancient concrete manufacturing strategies that gave Roman concrete its famed durability. The work may hold the key to designing concrete that lasts for millennia. Next one, ChatGPT boosts worker productivity. Two PhD students in MIT's Department of Economics found that ChatGPT increased productivity for workers assigned tasks like writing cover letters or delicate emails and cost-benefit analysis. The tasks in the study weren't quite replicas of real work, but access to ChatGPT decreased the time it took workers to complete them by 40% and improved output quality. Next one, injection-free diabetes control. Providing a possible treatment approach for type 1 diabetes, engineers designed an implantable device that carries hundreds of thousands of insulin-producing islet cells. It also has its own onboard oxygen factory, which generates oxygen by splitting water vapor found in the body to keep the cells healthy. Next one, unraveling connections between the brain and gut. MIT engineers designed fibers embedded with a variety of sensors as well as light sources for optogenetic stimulation that can control neural circuits connecting the gut and the brain. By manipulating intestine cells in mice, the researchers demonstrated that the technology could induce feelings of fullness or reward-seeking behavior. Next one, the whom of which trend. An MIT linguistics professor and student explored the emergence of a new kind of sentence construction, finding that the phrase whom of which obeys very specific rules whose nature contributes to a larger discussion about syntax. The article sparked broad interest from members of MIT's audience, many whom of which read it. Next one, a supercapacitor made from ancient materials. A new kind of supercapacitor could provide cheap and scalable energy storage for renewable energy sources. The device is made from ancient ubiquitous materials including cement, carbon black and water. Next one, an Earth-like exoplanet. MIT scientists discovered one of the smallest exoplanets ever measured, named Kepler-78b. The exoplanet is about 1.7 times as massive as the Earth and about 1.2 times Earth's size, but it is too hot to support life. The search continues. Next one, a wearable ultrasound scanner. MIT researchers designed a wearable ultrasound device that could be incorporated into a bra to allow people to detect breast cancer earlier. The device could be worn by people at high risk of developing breast cancer between routine mammograms. Next one, a new tool to edit the human genome. A newly discovered CRISPR-like system could one day be harnessed to edit DNA more precisely than CRISPR-Cas systems. It is the first RNA-guided DNA cutting enzyme found in E. coli. Thanks for watching this video. You can find news videos related to the most of these innovations in this QPT channel. Now you can buy my ebook titled Emerging Technologies for Profit from my blog for just $5. Refer this offer to your social media friends. Thanks.